Hi guys, Philip here from mypoopcash.com. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple ways you can use to make money on Pinterest. So if you're here and you're confused about how to drive traffic and how to get basically earn commissions from promoting stuff on Pinterest, I can show you 5 simple ways of achieving this. So keep watching, and afterwards I'm going to show you how to build the following. I'm going to show you how you can gain traffic and basically a big following on Pinterest. Okay, so keep watching, and if you can subscribe and like my channel, I'll be very grateful. If you want honest and simple money making tips and honest affiliate marketing reviews. Okay, so let's get going. Okay guys, so method number 1, the simplest way, the easiest way, the most beginner friendly way to make money using Pinterest is Adsense. Okay, Google AdSense are those little adverts you see on websites which are embedded in. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description which you can use to see how you can use AdSense to make money with your website. Basically, you embed a little code, then they automatically show adverts on your website. All you have to do is drive traffic to your website from Pinterest. You do that by creating beautiful, awesome, engaging pins, building a following, and basically increase your following on Pinterest. And I'll show you how to do that in a minute, okay? So stick around. The next one is e-commerce, right? You've probably heard of drop shipping and Shopify and that kind of thing, and Oberlo, all right? You can use Oberlo, Shopify to basically have an online e-commerce store where you can buy stuff cheap from China and ship it over directly to the customer. You then take a cut. If you want to learn more about that, then again, there's a link in the description to learn how to become a dropshipper. Right? Same principle. Have the website, have products on there available, link it to Pinterest, create awesome content on Pinterest, engage, share, build a following, and guess what? Drive traffic to the e-commerce store. And the next one, number 3, is affiliate links. Now you have to be very careful with this because all social media platforms are a little bit wary of affiliate links. Affiliate links are essentially when you put a link on wherever, which sends the person directly to a sales page where they're promoted a product to buy, and then you get a commission when someone buys it. Things like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, wherever. Everybody has an affiliate program, but there are also a lot of them which are a bit questionable. Like ClickBank products or products from JVZoo or Warrior Plus, to make money online stuff, or other methods. So when you're doing it, before you put any affiliate link on your Pinterest account, make sure it's safe, right? And you can do that. Basically, go to Google and Google, are affiliate links safe for Pinterest? And there will be some updated article about it, because these types of things, they change every single day. One link which is fine yesterday is not fine the next day, because depending on the service, they have different reputations, and so that one is on you. Okay, personally, I would avoid using affiliate links purely because it's a very inefficient way of making money on Pinterest. And because when you send someone directly to an affiliate link, you don't collect their email, you don't get a like on Facebook, you don't get anything. So personally, I would not use it, right? But it's a free country, you can if you want. Okay. The next one is email marketing, right? The good old-fashioned emails. All you do, once again, you guessed it, you send traffic from Pinterest to a landing page of some sort where they opt in with an email address. This could be some kind of free giveaway, a free ebook, a free course, a free video course, a free email course, a free t-shirt, a free something, okay? Or you can just simply send traffic to a website which has AdSense on it, or an e-commerce store, and while they're on there, there could, for example, be a little pop-up on the corner saying, "Do you want this?" or a fully blown pop-up that blocks the whole screen. Very annoying, but they do work. And you collect their email address, and then you start retargeting them with a sequence of emails. Okay. So then, not only can you send traffic to your website, get money from AdSense, get money from e-commerce, but you also get their email address and you can retarget them. Okay, how awesome is that? That's like 3 in 1. And the next one, which is kind of outside the box, but it does work. You can become a freelancer and like a consultant for Pinterest. So, but you can outsource it. Okay, so bear with me here. I'm going to explain this. People want other people to grow their Pinterest account. So you then approach people who need their Pinterest accounts grown. It could be a small local business. It could be a normal e-commerce website which doesn't have a Pinterest account. It could be any business out there. They're quite easy to find. You approach them and tell them, I can grow your following. I can run follow and unfollow campaigns. I can join group boards for you. I can create pins, and I can basically grow your following and increase your traffic to your brand, to your website, and wherever you are. Okay, and you charge them. Let's say you charge them $1,000 a month or $500 a month, whatever fee you want. Right? You then go to a website like onlinejobs.ph. Which is a company, a website in the Philippines, which you use to outsource that work, okay, for a fraction of the price. So you pay somebody $300 a month to do something which you are charging somebody $1,000 a month. And you then earn $700 completely on autopilot for free, all right? Now that takes a bit more thinking. That takes a bit more gumption and a get-go attitude, all right? But it's very, very possible, and you can do it if you put your mind to it, right? And again, I'll leave a link in the description for a guide or a resource of some sort, which will talk more about that in detail, okay? Because obviously that topic requires a bit more explaining, so you do need to read up about that, right? And one last thing I want to say, which has nothing to do with making money on Pinterest, but it's very important. People will always advertise to you to buy a software which will automatically grow your Pinterest following. Do not buy that. Do not use any kind of software to grow any kind of social following, okay? This is because that's against the terms and conditions. It's very generic. It's not targeted, even if they say it is. And also software will always break, all right? And if it breaks, you will lose your Pinterest account because it will be banned. And that goes for Instagram, that goes for Facebook, Twitter, any platform where somebody offers you an automatic solution to adding, removing, engaging, whatever, followers. Don't do it, regardless of how tempting it may seem, all right? Because I review affiliate products. I basically make money online. This is what I do for a living, okay? I've used many softwares for building backlinks, for using for comments, for whatever, okay? There's a lot of various ways of doing it. They always break, okay? Because they're software, right? They break. Things change, API codes change, the methods that the social media platforms use change, the coding changes, and at some point your software will malfunction, okay? And if it does that in a way which harms your social profile, you will lose all your followers, right? All because of a simple coding error where one letter was missed out in the coding, all right? And I've seen it happen. I've had forex software. I've had trading software which has malfunctioned, which cost me hundreds and hundreds of dollars, right, in seconds because of one single mistake inside the software. So if you are going to use any software for Pinterest, be very careful. Don't use it at all. But if you are going to use it, okay, you have been warned, right? Just don't use them. So let's talk about how do you grow your following, because ultimately to get traffic from Pinterest you have to have a following, right? It's very simple actually. All you do is go and create an account, and then whichever niche you're in, let's say you're in the hunting niche, create 10 or 15 or 20 boards where you have them as subcategories. So if your niche is hunting, your subcategories can be hunting locations, hunting jackets, hunting shoes, whatever. All these little subcategories, where you pin up, as many pins inside them as you can. Do a few hundred. Don't rush it. You don't have to do all of them in one day. Okay, take it one day at a time. Do 10, 20 a day and slowly build them up. Then what you do is you go out and get followers, and you do that by following others, right? Now this is where most people go wrong. Most people tell you, go out and follow everybody. Just go follow. No, you don't do that, okay? You want targeted followers, right? So, first of all, you don't go and add 100, 500 people a day, because you will get banned, and you will get a little message that pops up saying you are adding too many people, please stop, or you've reached your limit, okay? But if you keep doing that, then your account will be banned. So I recommend try and follow 20, 30, 40, 50 people a day, okay? No more. But you do it in a natural way, and this is where people go wrong. As you want to search for niche-related pins in your niche, right? So hunting, you can search for hunting jackets or hunting locations or whatever, hunting season, whatever you want to search for within your niche. And then you go and find people who are liking and commenting on other pins and follow them. But you don't just follow them, you find pins and you comment, okay? Find pins that you like within your niche, start leaving comments and then follow them, because they will see that and you are engaging with them, okay? Because if you just follow them, yeah, some of them will follow you back, okay? But you want them to recognize you. You want them to have a relationship with you, okay? So the best thing is, if they reply, you reply again, all right? Because then instantly you've got a connection and they will follow you back. And they are very likely to interact with one of your boards. And that's what you want, okay? And then next, what you want to do is you want to basically try and join group boards, okay? That's just a collection of boards, kind of like a Facebook group, but on Pinterest, okay? It's a group dedicated to one idea, one niche, one whatever. But they're usually quite picky about who is allowed to come in and who is allowed to post stuff in there. All you do is find niche-related ones, join as many as you can, and essentially do the same again. Start engaging, commenting, liking, whatever, pin stuff, all right? Engage with people. That's what you want to do. Engage. That's the key word here. Engage, 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 because that is what drives targeted traffic to your site. And from there, you start basically pinning up stuff and putting links to your landing pages, to your e-commerce store, to your blog, to wherever, right? And you use Adsense, you use e-commerce store, you use affiliate links if you have to, and you use email marketing and so on to build your brand, to build your awareness, to build your relationship with people. And that is how you make money on Pinterest, okay? So thank you so much for watching. This has been a pleasure, and hopefully you found everything useful and helpful. If you can like and subscribe to my channel, I'd be very grateful. And if you want to learn more about me, then jump over to iputcash.com, and hopefully I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks, and I'll take it easy.